The angel trumpets are happy. The rain barrel is full. And it slowly waters this, which I call the hibiscus garden, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the hibiscus garden anymore. There's a lot more other stuff out here. But look at everybody so happy it's raining. Hopefully my little transplanted blanket flowers will take. See those guys over there? See if I can zoom in on them. See them? Look at them. They need to take. I think they are taking. They're just not looking too happy. Those guys over there need to be transplanted. And then here, that guy's native. He planted himself. And these other ones are transplants. I want to have blanket flowers all around the bird bath. So I'm so happy about this rain. Oh my goodness. Yay! Looks like my roommate is using the solar air clothes dryer. It's not working today. Oh, I bet all these plants are so happy. I mean, they have been dying of thirst because I water them, but I mean, hose water just doesn't do it. Yeah. Look at the cat with the Madagascar palm for a tail. He's happy. Look at that. His face doesn't look happy, but his tail does. Anyway, here is the fruit I bang my head on all the time. I need to do some work out here, but not today, probably. That's my answer. Come on, peas. Where are you? I got some Thai soldier long beans planted in there. And I've also got some morning glories planted in there. And I don't see them. Mr. Tomato is looking sad, but his time is over. And he still has some fruit on him, so we're going to let him keep going until he's done. But it's time for the Thai soldier long beans. Come on, beans. Let's go. Beans, beans, the musical fruit. Come on up.